everyone and welcome to this webinar. Today we talk about blockchain use cases. We show you interesting applications of blockchain technology in different industries. With this webinar, we would like to give entrepreneurs food for thought on where and how you can optimize your business model. First of all, welcome to the IMI Academy. Let's start with a couple of notes about us. The IMI Academy is the educational arm of IMI Blockchain, an independent leader in DLT based in the Crypto Valley of Switzerland. With us, you can learn all about blockchain and cryptocurrency online. This webinar is an extract from our latest blog post. Follow the link below to read the full story. Today's agenda contains the following topics. After an introduction, we will answer the questions: are there current blockchain users outside of cryptocurrency? And guess what? There are many and we talk about them. Then we will show you 15 current blockchain use cases in 2022. And the next point is about 2 interesting potential blockchain applications yet to emerge. As a final point of today's webinar, we will answer another important question, which is: how can blockchain be used to its full potential? Last but not least, our final key points. Now allow me to introduce myself first. My name is Marcel and I'm the founder and CEO of IMI Blockchain. I'm an economist and studied blockchain technology as well. Since 2009, I'm a crypto enthusiast and founded IMI in 2019. First, let's clarify what this webinar is not about. It's not a technical guide, nor is it filled with technical details. We keep it simple. And no, it's also not a primer. But we do offer more detailed courses on our website. Visit imiblockchain.com and navigate to Learn Blockchain. There you will find courses with certification or other free webinars like this one. You can take crypto classes to learn everything about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And finally, you can learn blockchain programming as well. We deliver coding tutorials for all major programming languages. Blockchain technology is no longer a completely new technology. It has been with us for more than a decade now. There are obvious blockchain uses apparently in our world today that transcends digital currencies. In this webinar, we will take a dive into some of the blockchain applications in key sectors or industries around today. The uses of blockchain technology do cause a seismic shift in various sectors. The impacts are already being very visible today. Next to finance applications like cryptocurrency, digital currency, money transfer, cross-border payments, trade finance, or insurance services, we have broader use cases of distributed ledger technology and blockchain in general. Let's look at some of the most exciting ones of today. Distributed ledger technology brings digitalization of medical data on a completely new level. Data security, transparency, and immutability are given. Blockchain technology is an enabler for the creation of enhanced digital identities. Supply chain management will be the next disrupted industry. Blockchain and AI technologies make it possible to track and trace goods. Real estate tokenization is not a pipe dream anymore. Several companies already working on it. Smart contracts are changing our ways of doing business. Any business, in fact. Everyone is talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and intellectual property preservation is an important topic across all sectors. Digital voting is a success factor for democracy. Distributed ledger technology is the solution to get it done. Let's have a look at our comprehensive list of blockchain applications and examples by industry. We have analyzed 60 different use cases, from finance to insurance, from farming to manufacturing, from supply chain to e-commerce. And finally, the whole public sector also benefits from blockchain technology. For more details and specific examples of each sector, read our blog post, Blockchain Use Cases. You can find the link in the beginning of our presentation again. All right, let's continue. Now let's have a look at two potential applications yet to emerge. Netflix-like movie libraries or Spotify music streaming services are not yet developed using blockchain technology. This one key niche blockchain can revolutionize. The world can stream music and movies for a few bucks, but centralized servers are under hacker attack every day. On top, all streaming services lack on intellectual property preservation. Piracy is still normal. Blockchain and its accompanying tokenization system will introduce a completely new experience to the ecosystem in the future. Number 2, cloud storages take precedence from the previous point. IBM is trying to sell blockchain as a service, even there is no need for such a service due to the open source nature of all blockchains. Some startups are beginning to build decentralized cloud storage infrastructures, but these are yet to go mainstream. More uptrends in this niche will be seen in the near future. So how can we use the full potential of blockchain technology? First of all, you should integrate blockchain into your business processes wherever possible and useful. The integration of blockchain and distributed ledger technologies into business processes will enable the Internet of Things as well. This move will enhance Internet security, transparency, and immutability. And these efficient resources will reduce your overall costs. Last but not least, you have to combine innovative technologies in one single application. For example, artificial intelligence and machine learning systems. As we always do at the end of each webinar, we'd like to point out some key takeaways from our today's session. To take advantage of DLT and blockchain, all stakeholders need to ask themselves the same question. What can blockchain improve our business? Therefore, we have to screen critical business processes. Then we can define use cases. Every single business can be innovative, and blockchain technology is an enabler. You may consider to hire a blockchain consultant. We at IMI Blockchain would be very happy to accompany you on this innovative path. So, this is it for today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. If you have more questions or need further information, then please visit us at imiblockchain.com. Thank you for watching this webinar and see you soon again with other exciting topics related to learn all about blockchain and cryptocurrencies.